In today's world, buildings and infrastructure are more critical than ever, and ensuring their safety is a top priority. That's why we've developed CloudMATE, a revolutionary platform that utilizes the latest in cloud-based digital twin technology to provide unparalleled structural health monitoring. CloudMATE creates a virtual replica of a physical structure and monitors its health using various sensors and devices, providing accurate and comprehensive information about the structure's condition and performance. Using artificial intelligence and deep learning algorithms, CloudMATE achieves a high accuracy of 92% in damage detection of model and real bridge structures, providing more reliable and timely feedback and alerts than traditional techniques. The CloudMATE platform uses cloud computing infrastructure and a user-friendly web application that enhances the data interaction among physical structure, digital model, and human interventions. This provides more flexibility and versatility for data acquisition, storage, analysis, and visualization than other platforms. CloudMATE provides more added value to potential customers by offering innovative and customized solutions for different types of structures and regions. It leverages the existing infrastructure and standards in Europe for cloud-based services and data interoperability. CloudMATE reduces maintenance and repair costs, increases the service life and safety of structures, reduces environmental footprints, and creates new business opportunities in markets for cloud-based structural health monitoring services and solutions. The CloudMATE project will create a feasibility study that includes a mapping for the current technological landscape, market demand and segments, and financial forecasting to the exploitation of our cloud-based solution. Our team has solid and complementary experience, and each member provides a unique set of skills required to implement the project successfully.